cancel it. So what we are learning, that is that how to find out A inverse for a 2 cross 2 matrix and for 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, when we are having any equations. Okay, so in that equations, can we find out the variables? So that is application of matrices and determinants. Okay, how to find out the unknown values. If you are having unknown values of x and y, okay, in the system of equation, then easily we can find it. So this we have learned yesterday, that if determinant of the matrix is coming equal to not coming equal to 0, we say that matrix is non singular. कैसी होती है? नॉन सिंगुलर. एंड देन वी कैन फाइंड द वेरिएबल एज x इक्वल टू a इनवर्स इनटू b. x को हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं कैसे बाय फाइंडिंग a इनवर्स इनटू b. एंड इफ determinant is equal to 0, then there will be two cases. What we find here, adjoint of a into b, adjoint of a into b. So if it is not equal to 0, अगर ये वैल्यू नॉट इक्वल टू 0 आ जाए, then solution does not exist. Solution will not exist. Okay, if adjoint of a into b will come equal to 0, then it has consistent or inconsistent, both can be possible, and it may have infinite many solutions or no solution, both can be possible. Infinite, and it's possible that it have no solution. Okay, so this is what we learned. Okay, so now come to the topic. Here question is that examine the consistency. This is your exercise 4.6. What is the question? That examine the consistency of system of equation. Okay, so equation is given to you. How to check the consistency? We find first mode of that, means determinant. Okay, what is the equation? X plus 2y equal to 2, 2x plus 3y equal to 3. This is our first equation. आपके पास क्या गिवन है? इक्वेशन गिवन है, and you have to check. What you have to check? The consistency of that. आपको क्या करना है? इसकी consistency. तो consistency क्या? कल मैंने पूरा explain किया था. That if you get the solutions, अगर आपके पास solutions मिलेंगे, तो हम कहेंगे कि क्या है? वो consistent है. And if it is not, then we say that it is not consistent. Means for the values, means infinite, and for the infinite and unique solution, we say it is consistent. Okay, so here what we do, we first find out mode of a, means determinant of a. क्या find out करेंगे? Determinant. What is the value of determinant? That is 1, 2, 2 and 3. Okay, तो कैसे करते हैं determinant? Multiply this a11 with this a22, 3 minus 4, that is equal to -1. वैल्यू क्या आ रही है मेरे पास? -1. and this -1, it is not equal to 0. 0 के इक्वल नहीं है. If it is not equal to 0, directly we say that here solutions will exist. यहाँ पर solutions क्या करेंगे? Exist करेंगे. और कैसे solutions होंगे? There are unique solution. आंसर हमेशा क्या आएगा बेटा? Unique. Okay, don't get confused here. If determinant is not equal to 0, तो हम सीधा यहाँ पर कह सकते हैं कैसे solution होंगे? Unique solution. Okay, so here inverse of matrix inverse of matrix exists and it will give what? Unique solution. So it is consistent or inconsistent? System of equation is consistent. Here, system of equation will come consistent. Okay. Come to the next question. Here, I am taking the example of the where the determinant will come equal to 0. Okay. That is the second question. Question number 2. 2x minus y equal to 5. Next, x plus y that is equal to 4. This is the question. Okay. So what we do? We first find out the determinant here. क्या find out करेंगे? Determinant. 2 minus 1, 1 and 1. Okay. Cross multiply. It is 2 minus of. इसको multiply करो. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So answer is 2 plus 1 that is equal to 3. So that is not coming. Okay. That is also not equal to 0. यहाँ पर भी क्या आ रहा है? Not equal to 0. Okay. So it will give again the unique solution. कैसे solution मिलेंगे बेटा? यहाँ पर भी unique solution. Okay. Now come to the next question. Okay. Let's see this one. X plus here x plus 3y that is equal to 5 and 2x plus 6y equal to 8. So this is the different one. देखो जरा. First, to find out the determinant. Okay. Determinant of A that is equal to 1, 3, 2, 6. क्या आएगा? 6 minus 6. So here, can you see that determinant of it, this value of A is coming equal to 0. Value क्या आ रही है बेटा? 0 आ रही है. Okay. So this is the next case. है ना? Where we say A is singular metric. A कैसी metric है बेटा? It is singular metric. कैसी है? Singular. So here, what we find out? We find adjoint of A into B. किसको find out करेंगे यहाँ पर? Adjoint of A को किससे multiply करेंगे? We multiply with B. So what is adjoint of A? For a 2 cross 2 matrix, what we do? We take the values here. This interchange with the another one. 6 यहाँ, 1 यहाँ, and then change the sign of it. जो ये 3 और 2 है, इसके क्या कर देते हैं? साइन को change. Simple. Okay. This is adjoint of A. Then we have to multiply this with the B. Multiply करना है किसके साथ? B के साथ. What is B? देखो x जो होता है वो होता है unknown values. That is x and y. And what is B? That is the constant values 5 and 8. है ना? जो B की values होंगी, they are the constant values. So what are the constant here? Here it is 5 and 8. Okay. So I am writing here 5 and here 8. Now multiply it row with the columns. Okay. Row को किससे multiply करेंगे? Column से. So here after multiplying this we get here 6 5 is 30 minus 24 minus 10 and plus 8. Okay. Don't change the sign. सिर्फ sign determinant में change होते हैं, बाकी सब कुछ as it is रहता है. So here 6 and here minus 2. Answer is x equal to 6 and here y equal to minus 2. So you can say here the equations are, system of equations are consistent. Sorry, not consistent, it is inconsistent. Not equal to 0 आ रहा है ना बेटा? Okay. But we have learned that if adjoint of A into B, अगर adjoint of A into B not equal to 0 आ जाए तो हम कहेंगे there is no solution. Okay. Don't write x and y here. X and y value नहीं आएगी. Okay. Directly we say here that system of equations are inconsistent here. Okay. Is it clear to all? Discussion group is there. Those who have doubt, they can tell me. Is it clear? Okay. Come to the next one then. Next question is here. With the 3 variables. Okay. 2 variables के तो हमने question कर लिए. Now, I am telling you that how to solve this 3 variables question. Here, we have x plus y plus z equal to 1. Next one, 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2. And here, ax plus ay plus 2az equal to 4. ये है मेरे पास क्वेश्चन. Okay. So how to solve it? Okay. This is a set of equation. How we can solve it? First of all, to find determinant of this value. Okay. It is 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, a, 2a. तो कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं यहाँ पर सिर्फ वेरिएबल्स को लिखते हैं, जो सॉरी कॉन्स्टेंट्स को लिखते हैं. बेटा यू हैव टू टेक द कोफिशिएंट्स ऑफ एक्स वाई जेड. ओके. तो यहाँ पर अगर a है तो a को ही लिखा जाएगा. ओके. नाउ हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ 3 क्रॉस 3. टेक द एलिमेंट, जो एलिमेंट्स है उनको लिखेंगे फर्स्ट रो के एंड देन सॉल्व इट. रिमूव द रो एंड कॉलम. सो 3 2 6a minus 2a. Here 1 को रिमूव करो, रो और कॉलम को. देन remove this column and remove this row. 2 2 4a minus 2a. Then take this one. Here 2a minus 3a. Okay. Answer is 4a minus 2a and plus, sorry, minus a. You know? It will come here of minus sign. Minus a. So here what is the answer? Determinant of a, that is coming equal to a. और यहाँ पर a क्या होगा? Not equal to 0. a की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Not equal to 0. Now the question is कि मैम a की वैल्यू 0 कैसे है? बेटा if you are multiplying the values with this a, okay, and answer is coming equal to 4, तो a को तो 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर a को 0, अगर a की वैल्यू 0 होती, 0 plus 0 plus 0, तो आंसर को क्या होना चाहिए था? 0 होना चाहिए था. Okay, so that's why I am telling here that a is not equal to 0. And if determinant is not equal to 0, then what is the answer? Determinant is not equal to 0. I will say that it is non-singular. Non-singular है ये. Or what are the system of equation that will be consistent? कैसे system of equation होंगे? Consistent. Got it? Okay. So I think this is clear that how to find out the system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. Okay. Now we have question number 7. Here question is to solve the equation. System of equations को जो equations है उनको solve करो. And question is to use metric method. Matrix method. Okay. So this we have discussed. ये हम डिस्कस कर चुके कि मैट्रिक मेथड क्या होता है. ओके. सो लेट्स सी हाउ टू सॉल्व फॉर 2 क्रॉस 2. 2 क्रॉस 2 yesterday I told you 2 क्रॉस 2 का मेथड तो हम कर चुके हैं. सो टुडे वी आर डूइंग अ 3 क्रॉस 3. ओके. 3 क्रॉस 3 सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. यूज मैट्रिक मेथड means x equal to a inverse into b to solve the system of equation. Okay. What is the question here? Question is 2x plus y plus z that equal to 1. 2x plus y plus z equal to 1. Next, x minus 2y minus z equal to 3/2. Then next is here 3y minus 5z equal to 9. Okay, this is the question given to us. Now first of all, find the determinant of it. 2, 1, x is not there, so we will take here 0, है ना. Coefficient of x नहीं है, x की वैल्यू ही नहीं है, तो क्या ले लेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर 0. Here 1 minus 2, here it is 3, then 1 minus 1 minus 5. Okay, I know it's very difficult to be on the screen always, okay, but all will try to uh, study. Okay, so because 12th class, as you see that CBSE is not cancelling the board of that, okay, this year, so all will try to learn. Okay, don't think कि हम online में बैठे हैं, we will not learn it. Okay, so try to learn. So here, how to find out determinant? That is 2, minus 1 and plus 1. Okay, then here solve it. 5 to the 10 plus 3. Okay, it is remove this row and column. It is minus 5 and plus 0. Remove this row column. This is 3. Okay, so what is the determinant here? Solve it. It is equal to 2 into 13, 26 plus 5 plus 3. Answer is coming 34, which is not equal to 0. Okay, now what is the system? System is consistent. कैसा system है? System is consistent. So if it is consistent, what we find out? X. अब हम क्या करेंगे? X को find out करेंगे. X equal to, that is equal to A inverse into B. अब ये A inverse into B क्या था? What is A inverse? That is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A into B. Okay, things should be clear to you कि A inverse क्या था? A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A into B. So here adjoint of A. How to find adjoint of A? Take the values here and take the transpose. Okay, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? Values को, and adjoint always you find in metric form. First change the sign of these. Okay, and then find the cofactors. अब हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे? Cofactors को find out कर लेते हैं. So some answers we know it, क्योंकि ये values जो होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं आपकी? हमेशा cofactors होते हैं. Okay, so first is 13, next is 5 minus 5, and this is 3. Okay, then find the another one. 1 के लिए find out कर लेते हैं. 1 row column, it is minus 5 minus 3 minus 8. Okay, next is 2, that is minus 10. Next, remove this, it is 3 to the 6. Okay, next is here, for this it is 0 na. 1 into this, minus 1 plus 2, 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, that's fine. Okay, 1. Then next is here minus 3, and last one 2 to the 4, minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 5. Okay, now take the transpose. So transpose में बताई चुकी हूँ that what is the transpose of it? Take the rows as a column. Rows को किसमें change कर देते हैं बेटा? Column में. Okay, row into column. We got 13 here, 5, 3, 8, minus 10, minus 6, 1, 3, and here that is equal to minus 5. Yeah? Okay, now divide by determinant. What is determinant? That is 1 by 34. 1/34. I am writing it like simply here 3 ताकि थोड़ा क्लियर हो जाए, +3. Okay, and multiply by b. What is b here? 1, 3/2 and 9. Okay, so all will try and multiply it. देखते हैं क्या आंसर आता है. So that is equal to 1/34 here. 13 into 1, that is 13. 8 into 3/2, that is 4. 4 3s are 12. And here 9 into this, that is 9. So what is answer here? That is 3, 9, 34. First is 34. First answer is 34. Next same 5 here. 5 आएगा. Minus cancel out 5 3s 15 will come. 9 3s are 24. 24 plus 9 29. 29 minus 15. That is 17. Okay. Same as find this one 3. Score calculate कर लेते हैं. That is 3 into 1. 3 minus 3 and minus 9 5s are 45. Okay, 3 3 here, 3 3s are 9. So it is coming minus 51. Okay, so this is what we have after multiplying. Multiply करने के बाद ये आया and we are dividing it by 34. 34 से divide करेंगे. So let's see what is the answer here. 34, 17 and minus 51 divided by determinant of A. Determinant of A is 34. So here 1/34. Answer is here 1. Then next is 1/2 and it is here 3/2. Minus 3/2. Got it? Is it clear to all? Is it clear how to multiply a 3x3 matrix? How to find out the variable? Hurry up, tell me the discussion group. That is it clear or I have to repeat it? Okay. So this is what we learned, that when we have a 3x3 matrix, then how to find out the determinant. Okay. And if determinant is comes equal to 0, अगर value किसके equal आ जाए बेटा 0 के, then we find out adjoint of A into B. तब हम क्या करते हैं, adjoint of A को किससे multiply करेंगे, B से multiply करेंगे. Okay. Now I have a miscellaneous exercise for you, and this questions are there. This is very important. Question number 15. Let's see this one. Question number 15. This is the most important question of this exercise. A equals to here 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4, and this third column is 1 1 minus 2. Okay. First is to find A inverse. Question is to find out A inverse. And then see this one. 2x minus 3y plus 5z. Here 3x plus 2y minus 4z. And this one x plus y minus 2z, that is equal to minus 3. ये जो है ये minus 5 के equal है और ये 11 है. Okay. So these type of questions are very interesting and these are important also. तो क्या करना है बेटा, ध्यान से समझो. That first to find A inverse, पहले आपको A inverse निकालना है. जैसे प्रोसीजर है सेम, that to find first determinant. Okay, divide by adjoint of A. Now using this, आपको इसी को यूज करके क्या करना है, वेरिएबल्स को फाइंड आउट करना है. What we do here, x equal to take this inverse as it is and multiply by b. बस ये ध्यान रखो. Okay, and in elements or in comprehensive and RD book, you can see this type as this. देखो 2x, then here 3y plus z minus 3x plus 2y plus z, and here 5x minus 4y plus minus 2z. ये ऐसे क्वेश्चन आ जाता है. Find the inverse and using the inverse and hence find out the value of this. तो क्या करना है देखो जरा, अब यहाँ पर तो इनवर्स अगर आप देखो तो इनवर्स a की वैल्यू सेम नहीं आ रही. कैन यू सी दिस हियर? इन दिस डिटरमिनेंट इट इज सेम 2 -3 5 3 2 -4 1 1 और -2. clear, these are same, so I can use the a inverse as it is. but what with this, ये जो नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन जो लिखी है क्या उसमें सेम है? नो, इट इज नॉट सेम. बट कैन यू सी दिस, इट इज द इनवर्स ऑफ इट. तो ध्यान रखो बेटा, इफ यू आर हैविंग इनवर्स a इनवर्स, तो हम उसका ट्रांसपोज लेके फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं a ट्रांसपोज इनवर्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल if a inverse is coming 1 3 5 2 5 7 6 2 5 4, मैंने कुछ भी वैल्यू ले ली और ये हमारे पास a इनवर्स आ गया. ठीक है, और मेरे पास क्या है, ये क्वेश्चन है that to solve this equation. So first I will find out the transpose of it. a inverse का ही क्या ले लेंगे, transpose. So what will come here? It is 1 3 5 5 7 6 2 5 4. okay, यहाँ एनसीईआरटी में क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बट इन आरडी एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस आर लाइक दिस. एंड देन वी मल्टीप्लाई विद द 11 minus 11 minus 5 minus. Is this step clear to all? Is it clear or I have to repeat it? Okay, so this is all about today. Okay, repeat. Listen student, देखो बेटा, मेरे पास कोई मैट्रिक है, आई एम टेकिंग एनी वन ऑफ इट. लेट x minus 5 plus 2z equal to 7. Another one 3x plus 4y minus 5z minus 5. It is 2x minus y plus 3z. I am taking example. Okay, that question is that find the inverse. क्वेश्चन मेरे पास है find the a inverse of, किसका इनवर्स फाइंड आउट करना है, मैट्रिक a that is 1 minus 1 2 3 4 minus 5 2 minus 1 3. So sorry for this. Actually, there was a network issue. So here, what I will do, we find out the inverse of this. X minus y plus 2z है and 3x plus 4y minus 5z, and this is 2x minus y plus 3z. So tomorrow I will come with this question. मैं question के साथ ही आऊंगी. So that's why, so that I can clear it. Okay. So here, this is a. ये तो a है मेरे पास. That is 1 minus 1 2 3 4 minus 5 2 minus 1 and 3. Question is to find a inverse. Find a inverse and hence find the variable of this equation. जो equation है उसका variable find out करो. Okay. So can you see it here? ये transpose में है ना, इसका अगर a निकालेंगे, let it is c, मान लेते हैं ये जो वैल्यू होगी इसका c होगा, तो क्या होगा, c इनवर्स इनटू b, है ना. c, what is c? that is 1 minus 1 2 3 4 minus 5 2 minus 1 3. नाउ लिसन बेटा, अगर a मेरे पास ये है और c मेरे पास ये है, सो फर्स्ट आई विल फाइंड आउट a इनवर्स. क्या मैं पहले a इनवर्स निकालूं, फिर c इनवर्स निकालूं, फिर b से मल्टीप्लाई करूं? नो नीड ऑफ डूइंग दीज स्टेप्स. लिसन, दिस इज a इनवर्स, दिस इज a एंड दिस इज c. कैन यू सी इट कि ये इस c का ट्रांसपोज है. ये जो a मैट्रिक है, दिस इज द ट्रांसपोज ऑफ c मैट्रिक. So instead of finding A inverse and then C inverse, what I will do, first I will find out A inverse. पहले हम क्या करेंगे, A inverse निकालेंगे, and then after finding A inverse, I will take the transpose of it. क्योंकि A inverse transpose that is equal to A transpose inverse. Is it clear? Okay, this is the result. So that's why I will use it. Okay, for example, A inverse मेरे पास आ गया 1 5 3 2 -1 2 5 7 6. So C inverse निकालने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. What I do, I will write it in transpose form. मैं क्या करूंगी, इसको ट्रांसपोज की फॉर्म में लिख देती हूँ. 1 5 3 2 -1 and here 2 5 7 6, and then directly I multiply with the B. 7 - 5 12. So now I think it should be clear to you. Okay, and if it is not clear, tomorrow I will repeat it for you. Okay, now this is all about today. Okay, you have to revise this type of question, and today your work is to send me the work of this exercise. Okay, wait.